our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Solo Leveling Chapter 153 is only some days far from its reliable launch date, and here's what we recognize about it. Hands down, Solo Leveling is one of the high-quality Korean manhwas that flexes a few fantastic characters and a captivating storyline. The manhwa has grown to be famous that everybody is waiting to peer its anime model soon. Each week we get to study a brand new Solo Leveling bankruptcy, and proper now we are asking ahead to the discharge of Chapter 153. When scripting this article, Solo Leveling Chapter 153 is predicted to launch on Wednesday, May 26 or Thursday, May 27th, relying on the live date. The subsequent bankruptcy has to study at night time KST. But sadly, you will have to wait for some greater hours for this English translation. In the preceding season, Jin-woo realizes that the most powerful hunters within inside the International are actually in danger, and he had proclaims the equal factor in press conversation for all to hear. So we would see hunters from each area displayed to help Jin-woo. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. Thomas Andre decides to present daggers crafted from Kamisha's bone to Jin-woo, as he believes that the most powerful hunter must wield the most powerful weapon. Meanwhile, Jin-woo decides to shape a military in Japan and uses the United States as an educational ground, so it might be thrilling to look at the occasions as we pass and advance with inside the story. In Solo Leveling Chapter 152, Jin-woo reveals out the most arenas of powerful hunters in the mortal peril. From there on, he decides to shape a military in Japan, and we sooner or later give to peer the monarchs, something numerous lovers have been hyped for a few times. Several questions arose, with readers questioning why the monarchs have not attempted to recreate the Shadow Monarch to their simply motive yet. While we do not have any definitive spoilers, we suppose the following bankruptcy will address a war among Sung Jin-woo and the Monarch of Frost, in addition to the farmers' times to construct a military. Will the most powerful monarch be defeated, and could the monarch's choices make greater sense? Stay tuned to find out. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseandnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.